Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be explaining the project that actually creates a GitHub Actions pipeline that actually trains a CNN model on MNIST digit classification dataset. So in this project, I'm using CNN Convolutional Neural Network on MNIST digit classification dataset. So MNIST is a handwritten digit dataset. So a sample of the dataset looks like this. So there are totally around 70,000 samples, including 10,000 of test set. So in this project, I'm actually trying to create a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions. So let's start with the structure of the project. So I have these files. So this is model.py. So the actual model architecture, all layers parameters lives here, and train.py is the file that contains all the training and training script. So augmentation.py, that is the file that has the code for augmentation, and we have requirement.txt, which has all the dependencies needed for this project, and we have a readme file. This is the one. We have sample that has the augmented sample results, and we have this .github folder and ML pipeline YAML as a file. So this is a file that tells GitHub to do the actions. Let's see this in action. So I have trained the model using this command, python train.py, and I can use this for testing. So this is the old one. I'm deleting it, and I'm going to test it on the recent one. So if I run this file, this will actually test the model against certain criteria. So these are the criteria for that testing. First, the model should have the parameters less than 25,000, and it should take the input. It should have correct input and output dimension, and model should have more than 95% of accuracy. And fourth one is model robustness. So accuracy on augmented data should be more than 90, and prediction confidence. So it should have high confidence on the correct predictions, should be more than 0.8, and model stability. So even if we alter or give some perturbation to the input image, it should be stable. So you can see the results here. So all the 5 tests has been passed in this model. Once I push the code, if I do git push, that will actually push the code to my GitHub repository. So you can see all the code available here. So if I push it, that will actually create a pipeline that we can see it in actions. This is the latest one. Let me open it. If you click on build and test, this will give us all the steps that we have written in the mlpipeline.yaml file. So you can see it has installed all the dependencies, trained the model, and it also ran the test. So all the 5 tests has been passed, and it will so that will complete the job once everything is done. So I have created this whole project using Cursor IDE. Cursor is a AI-powered coding IDE. So you just need to add your problem statement or description about the project that you're gonna solve or that you want to create. So that will actually create all the required files and things for you, and it will also create the commands where you can use it to run the certain files that it creates. And it can also troubleshoot if you find any issues with that. So you can just put in the error, it will actually try to alter the files and get it running. Yeah, that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching.